Improving output of your current brewhouse mash in. In the case of a dedicated mash mixer, small deficiencies in the hydrator or unexpected lower strike temps can be compensated for during the residence time in the mash mixer. This is due to its steam jackets, which should be sized for 1 Celsius temp rise per minute. Mash mixers, hydrators, and agitators should have the ability to easily create a homogeneous mix and temperature without imparting shear to the mash. Items to review here include agitator design and speed. This is crucial to avoiding shear, providing adequate mixing, and uniform temperature. Speed is a function of the agitator diameter. The use of variable speed control drive is highly recommended. Mash transfer dedicated mash mixer. Look at the mash transfer system. Those to review include a larger pump and transfer piping. The design needs a maximum pump speed and line velocities that will ensure mash is presented to the lauter tun in optimal condition for wort extraction. We consider 10 to 15 minutes as the ideal transfer time.